Good morning. It has been a while since I vlogged. A while though, pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog like for 2 consecutive days. Like I took a break. I just wanted to rest. But today we're ready to share our days again. So this is what we have to deal with. Marami-rami pa natira. Madami pang mga kailangang kinesos. Hindi ko pa alam how to address them. But we are addressing them. Progress. Nakalinis na. Nawala na rin yung nandito sa upuan ko. And nakapag-salang na rin ako nalalabhan. Now it's time for us to do our 10,000 steps. Good morning. Let's eat. Guys, ang sarap nito. I bought this sa Wascon and panalo siya. Now, we need to get some groceries done. Pero nangangakit din si Basti ng coffee. So, hindi ko alam kung ano una namin gagawin. And every time I close my eyes, ito na. Yeah. I got you, you got me too.
Sabi ko, saan na ganun.
Wala, intayin lang. Talagang nagre-rep.
Sabi ko,
And that is a success. Next, we need to go home. It's already 8:35 and I have a meeting at 9. Nandito kami ngayon sa Gulang-Gulang. So, it should only take us about 10 minutes, no? 10 minutes kung walang traffic. Today is shoot day and the Karens are coming to town. Nasa Sariaya na yata sila. So we need to pick them up. We're here at Mana Kainan at Kwentuhan. I super love this place.
It is giving truffle.
Oh, diba? Yan din sabi ko rin eh. Truffle.
What is this, Pomsky?
Malmundigas.
surprise!
Hi, girl!
Hindi naman umiinom to eh. Oh. Nagdadala yan ng sarili niyang drinks.
One eternity later.
I was at the restroom and many of my close friends, they know that a lot of my winning ideas happen at the restroom because I spend a lot of time there. Ang daming side story. Side kwento lang, I usually spend an hour up to 2 hours sa banyo, which is why yung banyo namin, that one, it's malaki siya versus regular na banyo because ilalapit ko yung microphone because I think you guys need to hear this. But I had a winning product idea and e-commerce business owners, they know this by heart. Na you have to find your winning product. And today, I think I got it. You guys know that I love to journal. I love to journal a lot. That I have this journal, my daily power journal. I have my journal na I only gave out to a couple of friends. Notebooks. This, which is my memory journal. Journals after journals after journals. At dahil di nakasya dyan, it's here. I have journals from dating back to 2007. Actually, it has been in the works. part of Gig Hub is I will be providing free books for people to learn how to start working from home. But I thought, you know what? If I will combine all of my winning ideas, 364-day challenge helped a lot of aspiring freelancers. A lot of people learn from that. And this is me bragging. Like, hindi na to inspire. This is there to brag because I worked so hard every single day. Nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos sa pwedeng sundan. As some sort of roadmap kung gusto na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, o gusto na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Bakit hindi i-combine ko yung idea ng 364-day challenge to what I love doing the most, which is journaling. And instead of making it a book, I will make it a journal. And I just went on here, walang ayos. Nagmo-movie night kami ni Ski at talaga paglabas ko sa banyo, sabi ko sa kanya, mahal, I have a winning product idea and I wanted to be able to document it right now. Yung excitement of getting that. I will create my very own first journal of my own para sa sarili ko. As, anong tawag dun, mahal, sa product na yun, yung test product. I am creating a prototype right now. 9:56 a.m. I have finally printed 2 prototypes. This one is a full A4 and this one is an A4 na naka-landscape, so it's going to be like in half. This would take a whole lot of work and magkakaroon pa ng maraming matatapon na materials. I don't know how to feel about it. I really do not know how to feel about it. Kasi pagka cut in half siya, so yan, pack. We're cutting the papers. We're cutting the PVC cover. I don't know how to feel about it. Meanwhile, ito naman is 1 PVC. And sabi nga ni Popski, this will be a little harder to bring because it's big. It's like a 14-inch. Kasama siya ng laptop. Pwede din. But it'll be thinner versus a book type. So, I'll keep you guys posted. Today is the second, Today is our second session ng Mesolaipo. It's a 30-minute drive from home. Wala pa akong tulog since last night. So, our first stop is coffee.
Pala natin dito sa part na to kasi dito masakit eh.
Hindi ko kailangan mismo. Ano nga
Ano mo ba na kayo, sir?
Day 3.
Today, we're going to address a bully, but the right way. The way na yung progress ko sa pag-edit ng vlogs is medyo mabagal. So I'm thinking probably by the time that I get to post this, meron na tayong update ulit. And so hopefully I'd be able to add that update. But for now, I want to make sure that I also document yung how am I supposed to react to a bully. Quick background, last year, there's this person who asked about the process kung paano yung tax. I was unable to respond to him. Obviously, libo-libo po yung comment ko every single day sa mga post ko. And when I saw his comment, meron na siya mga dagdag dyan. Yung iba't ibang comments na pinagdalagay niya sa post ko. Ang naging ending nito is, I blocked him, obviously. The very first thing kasi naman na pwede mo talagang gawin kapag merong mga ganyan na bully is, huwag mo na lang pansinin. When I blocked him, he created a new account. And what I don't think this person realized is that I actually have his address. I actually know kung saan mga businesses na siya nag-work. Pangalan ng companies, ganyan, because nag-apply na siya at one point doon sa agency namin. So, I have his details. And, nung nag-comment pa siya ng ganon, ini-screenshot ko ng lahat, and then I told him, this is your last and final warning, that if hindi ka pa tumigil ng pangahara sa akin, magkikita rin tayo, and I will see you soon. Tumigil siya. Now, on my end, I also reported him dun sa current, sa CEO ng current agency na pinagtatrabahuhan niya that time. And I, obviously, out of respect dito sa CEO, hindi ko naman na pinush kung ano pa man yung gagawin nila doon sa tao. But, I received a report na he was terminated. He was indeed terminated from the company. And he was even saying na, okay, bibili ng gasol si Papski. Now, this person, stop! So, na-terminate siya, ganyan. And wala nang eksena until today. He created, I believe he created a new, very similar profile. And he's now attacking me sa post ni Sir George about tax. Number one na talagang sabi ko, this is kind of interesting because inaatake niya ako sa tax. Nagbabayad ako ng tama ng tax. So there's something in there na hindi ko malaman bakit. Ano yung motivation ng tao na to? And pinabayaan ko siya because probably he bumped into one of my posts last year. At pinatulan ko naman siya because patola tayo, diba? And then akala ko okay na. But the mere fact na after a year, inaatake na naman niya ako, this simply means that this person, meron pa siyang mas grabe, mas malalim na pinaghuhugutan. So, with that being said, I'm like, okay, this needs to stop. I scheduled an emergency meeting with our attorney. Mamaya siyang 3 p.m. In the meantime, I have another business problem that I need to address. I'm not gonna call it a problem. Business roadblock that I need to address. So we'll work on that. So I have a couple of hours. Magmimerienda muna siguro kami. But guys, according to sa phone call earlier, the very first thing of course that you can do is to Dedma sa Japan, huwag mong pansinin. I already did that. Number 2 step would be to, if kayo guys ay inaatake ng mga ganitong bully, ng haharas, ganyan, obviously, you need to know muna, alam nyo ba yung information ng tao? Kung alam nyo yung information ng tao, then you move on to the next step, which is to consult sa attorney. At the same time, make sure that you document everything, like screenshot everything, all of the attacks, everything. Also, I just have to say lumiliit na yung face ko, para nakakaano na ako. Nakikita ko na yung difference niya, hindi na bugsh, ganun. So, that's next. And then, I will let you know kung ano yung magiging recommendation ng attorney natin mamaya sa meeting. But I think, based on sa earlier conversation, magpapadala ng sulat dun sa tao. And I really want to come to a point na pupuntahan ko siya at harap-harapan kung itatanong ko anong problema niya sa akin. Because I'm just that kind of person, di ba? Tanungin mo, anong problema mo? Nagpapapansin ka lang ba? Feeling relevant ka ba? Alam mo yun? This person has, I truly feel that this person has parang sa akin. Now, remember the story about this person, content creator din na may following din, na ginagaya yung contents ko at blinak ko recently. They're friends. They're from the same VA agency. So, a little plot twist there. Yun lang, ganito ko lang. Sige. Road trip. Ay, okay. So, I need ay, baka mo. Uy. Currently here at...
Kaya ako magbibigay sa inyo.
Oo, yan. Kasi wala naman kayong order, dalawa.
Ano ba kayo itong double cheese?
Sa atin.
Kay mama mo yan, double cheese. Dito sa'yo, Lukas.
Okay, so I have my double cheeseburger. Ay, ano ba? Ano ba? Yes, nagkakagulo ang Pilipinas sa pagkain. Bibilisan mo na ang kain para si Lucas ay makakain na. Parang natakam ako sa spaghetti mo
Alaga ng tatay niya.
Pinagpepre kita, Totoy.
Okay po.
God bless. Totoy, patnubayan ka ng buong may kapal.
Pansit ng paibayo. Paibayo nga naman. Puro sarado.
Good morning, Philippines. Mabuhay! Good morning.
I got the hits, getting the ticket drugs.
Sabi ni ate kay Papski, yung tubo mo sir, okay pa. Gusto ko siyang sakyan. Ginising ako ni Charles, humingi ng baon. Hindi na ako nakatulog, so kumain muna tayo.